at it.
Abby will help you hold the pole.
Did you see anything on the tractor looking at the fish? Not really.
Yeah.
I see what I'm finna catch.
What?
Oh, they went in
Uh-oh.
that bag.
We gotta get, well, we ain't gotta get that.
Crap, a bag went in the water.
It's just a bag. I think it's empty, ain't it?
Yeah, it's empty.
That's all right. We'll get it in a minute. We'll
The
fish 'em up now.
Elgas did it. Now El got to be arrested.
We'll get it in a minute.
Let's fish it. Can we fish it?
I just don't think we're gonna do any good out here on the main lake.
Let's fish it.
I'll tell you where we need to go. Back down along that side up in there.
Look at it, huh?
Just hold it. You ain't got to even hold on to that yet, buddy.
Alright, you gotta be still. Don't spin that. We just told you
Oh,
not to.
they're hitting it.
See all the shad jumping out of the water right there?
It's telling you.
When I'm throwing over here?
Let's go.
Yeah, it was a big one or whatever. Yeah, they're hitting top water.
We'll hit that. Look at there.
Oh, what is
He's pulling drag too.
There's a big one.
Hell yeah.
That's probably the one you saw.
Just, yeah, it is, I'm sure. I just cast right at him.
That's a wimpus.
It's way in there.
I know you can't so still.
I don't know if I can get that out.
It might be about 3 pounds. We'll get the pliers.
There we go. He's decent size, ain't he?
Yeah, he's about 3 pounds.
You want to keep him, throw him out?
One of the bigger ones you've ever caught.
I'm gonna keep it.
I
I'm gonna keep
He looks
it.
kind of
don't
funky.
know what the size is. Oh, he's all right. You don't
wanna
see
keep it?
anything in his gills or anything, do you?
Well,
Anything in his fins? You know, the thing is they're going to look funky this time of the year.
alright, well. Just hold it still, okay? Hold it still.
It's
There
okay.
you
You
go.
can pull it this way a little bit. I don't think they're exactly right there. All right, stop now. Don't keep pulling it. See your bobber? You want it to stay where it's at. If it don't bite there in a minute, Pappy will throw it over there and we'll try over there.
You'll
Okay?
see them when they bite it, Connor.
Be careful, you're pulling it and they won't eat it while you're pulling it. Reel him in. Reel him in. Keep
Yeah, he's got
going.
one.
Keep going. Look at that bluegill you
It's the
caught.
same one.
Look
A
at that
bluegill.
bluegill. You want to hold it?
No.
You got to hold it for the camera.
You gotta hold it for the
Hold
camera.
the string. Grab
Hold
the
the
string and
string.
hold it out.
Hold the line. Right
Now
there.
turn around for the camera.
Look at the camera. Turn
Turn
around.
around for the
You
camera.
okay? Yeah, that fish ain't gonna hurt you. Look at the camera.
All right.
There you go. All right, I'll
Now
get him off
Pappy
there.
will let it go.
I'll get him off there.
Get him in there.
Keep reeling.
Hold on.
Oh yeah. That's a good one there. Oh yeah.
Here's a hard one.
He's a hog, ain't he? Show him to the camera.
Show him the camera.
Turn around over here and show it to the camera.
Oh.
Turn around over here and show it to the camera. Go back there. Here you
Pappy's
go.
gonna slap himself in the back of the head
Here
with
you
the
go, buddy.
Connor.
Show it to the camera.
Pick him up, pick him up, pick him up.
All right.
Slap yourself in the face with the fish.
Pappy, have it now.
Let Pappy have a. Don't move it. Okay, hold
You
it
wanna
still.
catch another
hold
one?
the stick still, Connor.
Watch him. He's gonna pee.
You gonna pee on you, Connor?
No.
See him pee?
Stop you.
Give me that pair of pliers.
Those hooks set in there pretty good.
Stop
Give me
you.
them pliers, Connor,
Connor.
so I can get the hook out.
Connor, give it to Pappy.
You want to catch another one?
Yes. But with a stronger one this time. I want a stronger one this time.
Keep catching the same fish over.
Now that was a different fish, you could tell. You know?
Yeah.
His colors were different. You want to do that again?
Oh.
I think they got a bed down by that log over there.
Three fish piercings.
Pap, I need something stronger.
Like what?
Like a big fishing rod.
I think you need this right here because you've been catching.
Why do you need something stronger?
Because it's going to be a lot stronger.
When you're catching fish, you don't change what you're doing. You just keep catching them. All right, let's throw it back over there in that same spot. Reel him on in.
Really?
Oh, he's putting up a fight, ain't he? Yeah, reel him on in. There you go, buddy. Ooh, that one's got some horns on him, don't it? Yeah, you want to show it to the camera? Show it to the camera, boy. All right, quit now. Back up and show it to the camera.
Yeah, you don't do that.
I
There you
like doing that.
I know you like doing that.
But that's not what you do.
All
Oh, it's flapping around. It's flapping around. It's moving.
right.
I'm kneeing fist.
Watch him.
Oh, no. I'm gonna throw him in.
You want to throw him in?
Uh-huh.
Well, come grab him.
After I put this down.
Come
By
grab
the
him.
tail?
Grab him by his little mouth like that, right there. Okay? Put your thumb in his mouth.
I don't want to.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he
well,
can't
the
bite
fin,
you.
the fin
I
will
don't want
get
to
you. The
put
mouth
Come
won't.
on.
his. I don't want to put my thumb in his mouth.
Well, where do you want to grab him at?
By the tail.
You can't
No,
do
he
that.
can't. He'll slip out of you. He's slippery.
Oh. How about that?
You could grab him right here. Under his gill like
Ew.
this.
I don't want to grab him under
Oh,
his
grab it.
chest.
Grab him
Don't
right
grab
there.
him.
Stick your
I
thumb.
want to grab him by his stomach.
See, look, he
You
can't
can't
bite
grab him
you.
by
He
his
got no
stomach.
teeth.
His fins will get you, bud.
Yeah, those fins will stick you.
Yeah, he'll cut you with his fins.
You want me to just throw him back
That one's got a cool color too.
so we can catch another one?
I'm
Yeah,
gonna grab him by the eyeball.
he's kind of cool looking.
They're like a little blue under his jaw and stuff,
Yeah.
and his red orange tint.
You want to throw him back?
Can I just keep on
You want to touch him?
right there?
Touch him.
Boink.
Touch him. He's going to hurt you.
He feels.
Okay, I'm going to throw him back so
No,
we can catch another.
him.
What?
I'm gonna throw him.
All right, well, grab him by his sides, just like Pappy's got him. Grab him. Hurry.
You can't grab him by the top,
getting
Connor.
thirsty.
He's gonna die if you don't throw him back.
I think he's.
If you
slimy.
grab him just like that. Yeah, he's slimy.
He's super slimy.
Grab him. Grab him. Quit being a little girl. Grab him tight.
Pick him up.
Grab him tight.
By the
Grab him tight.
tight,
Yeah.
you say? He was big so to jump.
He ain't gonna jump. He can't jump.
You gotta grab him, Connor.
Put your hand around him.
You can't hold him with just
Put your whole hand around him like that. Grab him and throw him in. Throw him in. Look at that.
Oh!
Wasn't nothing to that, was it?
He's gonna come
All
back.
right.
He's gonna
Let's
come
put
back.
another bait on and see if we catch another
He's
one.
gonna
What do you
come back
think?
to the
My
top in a
hand
minute.
is slimy.